Listen to part of a lecture in a political science class.
Although the United States of America has a multiple political party system, which includes the Green Party, the Libertarian Party, and the Constitution Party, the Democratic Party and the Republican Party are by far the two parties that dominate the modern political party system in the U.S. Let's look at the two major political parties. The Democratic Party was founded by Thomas Jefferson in 1792, and is the oldest political party in the U.S. Although in the 19th century, the Democratic Party was mainly supported by the white Southerners, who supported slavery. In the 20th century, it became more progressive on civil rights issues. Franklin D. Roosevelt, a member of the Democratic Party, who served as the 32nd President of the United States from 1933, greatly shaped liberalism in the Democratic Party. Since then, the Democratic Party has been generally associated with modern American liberalism, where members of the party are often called liberals or Democrats. Democrats are positioned in the left wing of the political spectrum, supporting social liberalism, social justice, and a mixed economy that combines private and public enterprise. In 2009, Barack Obama became the first African American president as a member of the Democratic Party, and is personally revered by many Democrats for his achievements. Now, on the other side of the political spectrum, there is the Republican Party, which is positioned in the right wing. The Republican Party, also referred to as the Grand Old Party, GOP, was founded in 1854 by people who opposed the expansion of slavery into U.S. territories and supported economic reform. In 1861, Abraham Lincoln became the first Republican president, and under his leadership, slavery was abolished in the U.S. in 1865. The core ideology of the GOP in the 21st century is American conservatism, which supports free market capitalism, personal responsibility, and entrepreneurialism. The GOP advocates conservative economic policies, valuing limited government and individual liberty. The GOP believes that the government should exercise minimal control over individuals, and it is up to individuals to govern themselves. Famous Republican presidents include George W. Bush and Donald Trump.
Using points and examples from the lecture, explain the two major political parties in the United States, and describe how the Democratic Party is different from the Republican Party.